043 Salchira R. Sangma with a distance of 37.60 meter, bronze. And the silver medal goes to bid number 44 Nokim Momin from East Garo Hills District with a distance of 38.16 meter. And the gold goes to bid number 228 Bonaben Shores Aimley from Nongstoin District Sports Association with a distance of 40.32 meter. Under 16 male, the medals for under 16 male high jump. The bronze goes to bid number 134 Shemhadi R. Marak from Southwest Garo Hills District with a height of 0.1.45 meter. And the silver goes to bid number 40 Chengrong C.H. Marak from East Garo Hills District Sports Association with a height of 0.1.50 meter. The gold medalist goes to bid number 71 Ron Staro from Ribhoy District Sports Association with a height of 1.65 meter. Under 16 male 800 meter, the bronze goes to bid number 136 Canon M. Sangma from Southwest Garo Hills District Association with a timing of 2 meters, 0.78 seconds. And the silver goes to bid number 283 Nevasan Jirwa from Malpura District Sports Association with a timing of 2 minutes 14.46 seconds. And the gold medalist goes to bid number 202 Damang Lingdor from West Janka Hills District Sports Association with a timing of 2 minutes 12.77 seconds. For the under 16 female 800 meter, the bronze goes to bib number 129 Lamsuk Pawa from East Janka Hills District Athletic Association with the timing of 2 minutes 57.19 seconds. The silver goes to Alba Mary Sosha from Nongstoin District Sports Association with a timing of 2 minutes 49.25 seconds. And the gold goes to Linty Jinkerman K. Jaran from Maukalwa District Sports Association with a timing of 2 minutes 42.8 seconds. Under 16 male 2000 meter, the bronze goes to Ram Shilla from West Janka Hills District Sports Association with a timing of 6 minutes 34.83 seconds. And the bronze goes to, and the silver goes to Damang Lingdor from West Janka Hills District Sports Association with a timing of 6 minutes 27.33 seconds. And the gold goes to Nevasan Jirwa Malpura District Sports Association with a timing of 6 minutes 20.10 seconds. I request all the medalists to stay back for the picture, for the group picture. Thank you, Basa. 16 female 2000 meter. The bronze goes to Aitisha Pathal from Nongstoin District Sports Association with a timing of 8 minutes 50.96 seconds. And the silver goes to Streamlet Taro from Ribhoi District Sports Association with a timing of 8 minutes 38.4 seconds. And the gold goes to Limpi Jinkerman K. Jarin from Maukarwa District Sports Association with a timing of 7 minutes 27.74 seconds. For under 16 male 100 meter. The bronze goes to Dame Bansan Rumbai from Shillong Sports Association with a timing of 12 minutes 45 seconds. And the silver goes to Batskemlang Thongni Red from Maukawa District Sports Association with a timing of 12.44 seconds. Goes to Damandha Warjering from Shillong Sports Association with a timing of 12.36 seconds. Team female 100 meter. The bronze goes to Anima Areng from East Garo Hills District Sports Association with a timing of 15.5 seconds. And the silver goes to Shidalin Rongpi from Ribhoi District Sports Association with a timing of 14.82 seconds. And the gold goes to Yolari Rinxiang from Nongstoin District Sports Association with a timing of 14.81 seconds. And the medals for under 18 female 1500 meter. The bronze goes to Jeretchi S. Sangma, Jeretchi S. Mara from South Garo Hills District Athletic Association with a timing of 6 minutes 4.64 seconds. And the silver goes to Selbiana K. Wanyang from Maukarwa District Sports Association with a timing of 5 minutes 45.75 seconds. Gold goes to Balasiudor Pathal from Nongstoin District Sports Association with a timing of 5 minutes 44.61 seconds. And for the under 18 male 1500 meter, the bronze goes to Raju Bongrung from Ribhoi District Sports Association with a timing of 4 minutes 41.89 seconds. And the silver goes to Liet Lang Rimbai from East Janko Hills District Athletic Association with a timing of 4 minutes 41.4 seconds. Silver goes to Be'et Lang Rambai from East Janko Hills District Athletic Association. Please send someone to represent if is absent. And the gold goes to Sanctified Palais from West Janko Hills District Sports Association with a timing of 4 minutes 33.42 seconds. Thank you, Ma'am Jijilan.